I found out about you guys via social media. I was actually looking for someone who could give me a full set of implants, top and bottom. And I went to another location in Walnut Creek and they weren't able to accommodate my needs. And I ran across you guys on an ad on Google. And it looked familiar because I believe I seen an ad of you guys in the mall in my location. So I did some research on you guys because I remember running into the ad that you guys have in the mall. And I did some research on Google and I went on your Yelp and I read reviews. And then I actually seen you guys had a YouTube channel. So I watched a few videos of your other patients speak on their journey. So that's when I called in and I decided to make an appointment and come and meet you guys and talk to you guys and see if you guys can accommodate my needs. The main reason I wanted my implants is because 2 years ago I lost all of my back molars, so I lived a whole year with just my front teeth. With living with my front teeth for a whole year, it wore down I had 7 teeth on the top and 6 teeth on the bottom, and I lived a whole year like that, and it started to wear down. So once I went to the dentist, they told me that either I could put crowns on those teeth or I would have to get them extracted. So the best thing for me was to get them extracted, and that's when I went down the journey of full set of dentures. And I lived like that for a year with a full set of dentures. And then I decided to look for implants, and that's when I came across you guys. I would say it's a blessing. I would say that I went from being careful with what I eat because I didn't have back teeth to being able to eat anything that I want to eat. I'm still careful because I don't want to eat anything hard because I'm still healing from my 6-month journey. But it's a blessing. I'm able to smile. I'm able to talk to my family and my friends. I'm able to truly live the life that I desire to live. I no longer have to hide. I no longer have to be shy and talk with my hands covering my mouth. And I feel like I'm set free. I feel like I finally got my life back, and I'm happy. I can smile, and I'm not miserable. I'm not sad, and it's just been a blessing on my journey, and I'm able to eat anything that I desire to eat. My family was really shocked when I came home and showed them my teeth. They were all in my mouth. They wanted to see them. They wanted to look inside of my mouth. They wanted me to smile. People were calling me on the phone, and my family was stopping by, and my dad was so excited because, you know, your family sees you go through your transition. They see you when you're unhappy. They see the miserable side of you. And when you finally get your implants, you go home and they see the joy. Your aura changes. You're smiling. You're happy. They could feel it in your energy. And it's just been an amazing journey for me, and I'm extremely thankful. My opinions is that I'm very happy that they took their time with me. I'm very happy that they actually got to know me and they get to know their patients individually. This is a place that it's not about money. It's about helping you, helping the soul, helping you individually. And they even stay with me after hours, and that was a blessing because most dentists and doctors won't stay with you after hours. And I could tell that they actually really cared about me, my mind, body, and soul. It wasn't about the finances. So I will give this place 10 stars. I would say compared, because with my journey, my experience, the first place I went to look for implants, it was going to take 6 months for me to get my implants. It would have taken me, all of the exams and all of the research and all the appointments, and I would have to come in and get the implants put in and wait 6 months to get my teeth. The difference between this place and that is that you get your teeth immediately. It's about a 3 to 4 day process. You come in, they take your x-rays, they talk to you, they want to hear about your experiences, your journey, they want to get to know you. The second day you come in, they start your process. You go home for the third day, you heal. The fourth day you come in and you leave with your teeth. So the difference between this place and everyone else is that you get your teeth in 4 days compared to 6 months. They held my hand when it came to the pain, because there is pain. They gave me ice packs when they knew I needed them. They even grabbed tissue and wiped my tears because I cried a little bit. And they're very comforting and they're very loving, and they were by my side. They were giving me encouraging words, telling me that, I'm doing a great job, and, they're telling me how proud of me they were. They, rubbed my shoulder. They're really caring and loving here. Yes, I would most definitely recommend you guys to anyone who's looking for implants, anyone who's out there suffering, and you are looking for someone who's going to take care of you and not look at you as profit. They look at you and want to help you set yourself free. So I will recommend them to anyone who's suffering and anyone who's not suffering and you just want implants. This is a great place to start, and I will recommend you guys starting your journey now.